In this video, I will demonstrate the routing use case of OCI network firewall insertion with NAT gateway. For this demonstration, I have provisioned an application virtual machine and OCI network firewall, each residing in their own subnets in the same VCN. For this demonstration, both the subnets are private. In the subnet route table of application private subnet, we add an intra-VCN route rule to send the traffic to the private IP of the OCI network firewall. Firewall subnets route table has a route rule to send all the traffic to the NAT gateway. To ensure that the OCI network firewall can inspect the traffic, the NAT gateway is associated with an ingress route table with a forwarding rule that sends the traffic to the private IP address of the OCI network firewall. In the policy that we have attached with the firewall, I have allowed application subnet to initiate traffic towards the internet. After adding the required route rules as shown, request is initiated from the application virtual machine towards the internet, and it reaches the OCI network firewall based on its subnet route table. The OCI network firewall permits the request based on the configured security policies. The OCI network firewall then forwards the request to the NAT gateway based on its firewall subnets route table. NAT gateway sends the request towards the destination on the public internet. Response then arrives back on the NAT gateway. Based on the ingress route table at the NAT gateway, response is directed to the private IP address of the OCI network firewall. The firewall then sends the traffic back to the application virtual machine. Let's have a quick look at the network firewall policy I have configured. I have one address list created for application subnet CIDR block. Security rule is configured to allow all the traffic initiated from the application subnet towards the internet. Now, I will try to initiate some traffic from the application virtual machine to some public website. As expected, we can reach the destination. Let's verify the network firewall logs. As expected, traffic is being passed through the network firewall as intended. If we expand on the individual entries, we can also see some useful details such as source and destination, IP and port, protocol, action, and the security rule that matched against this traffic. This approach secures outbound traffic while centralizing security management, making sure that all traffic routed through the NAT gateway adheres to OCI network firewall policies before exiting the VCN. To learn more, please visit docs.oracle.com. Thank you for watching the video.